part 2. It's officially 5:09 in the morning. I mean, seriously, how does one snore so loud and be in such a deep slumber? This is very aggravating and very annoying. Something has to give. This is beyond ridiculous. Somebody... This shit isn't even funny. It's just beyond ridiculous. If anybody you know snores like this, please call a doctor immediately. I mean, immediately. This is beyond ridiculous. I don't see how someone could be sleeping with a person like this. They need serious mental and physical evaluation immediately. Oh, wow. That's just disgusting. This fucker's snoring and farting at the same time. Oh my gosh. Focus. Oh my god, it stinks. Pam, focus. Man the fuck up. Man down. Man down.